All right, guys, 2014 Dodge Challenger, Hemi 5.7. It's got 146,000 miles. He's owned it since it's got 19,000 miles on it. So that's what happens when you take care of a car. Anyways, we did a little something different on this one. Factory converter there. Factory X-pipe has a mid-delete. And then we did CARVENs out the back on each side, right there and right there. Part number is right there, CVESR 25, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. As you guys can see right there. So it's got 2.5 out the back. On each side, there and there, quads out the back to finish the look. Came out really clean, really beautiful, as you guys can see. And there's the mids that were on it, right there and right there. That's the ones we took out. And the rears, right there. As you guys can see, that's what it looks like after. That's what the mids would look like. The mids were already taken out before. But the rears are right here, these. Okay? And that's what it looks like after. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that subscribe button. That's it. Yeah. Not as loud as that one, but it's just clean, you know? Here's sound decibels. CARVEN R's 110. That sounds sweet. Approve? Thumbs up? Yes, sir. Oh, that sounds so good. See how much cleaner that is than straight. Yeah, not crazy. I like the pinstriping on it too. It looks good. Like always, guys, hit us up. We are in Nashville, Tennessee. Like yours to get done, just hit us up. That is so deep. That's so deep, man. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 Hemi with CARVEN R, mid-delete, and CARVENs in the back with quad tips. Absolutely menacing. Beautiful car. Here we go. Perfect.